Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngizokhuluma ngogoalkeeper bo-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates inogoalkeeper abayi-5. Labo goalkeeper abayi-5 kukhona bani? uSipho Chain, Meliswa Buthelezi, Siphamandla Gumede, uSiyabonga Dladla no-Ethan Versace. Siphamandla Gumede uyena goalkeeper-ke le-Orlando Pirates eyayimlonile last season. Mase kuthi Ethan Versace, he was the goalkeeper owathengwe i-Orlando Pirates. Ubeyidlalela i-Orlando Pirates last season, but-ke he didn't get any minutes for Orlando Pirates, but he was training with the team the whole season. Last season goalkeeper bathola game time ko-Orlando Pirates obani? uSipho Chain, uMeliswa Buthelezi noSiyabonga Dladla last season. So namhlanje ngithi ngizokhuluma ngoSiyabonga Dladla. uSiyabonga Dladla yes watholile ama-minutes last season, but-ke uwathole isizini isizophela lapho khona Orlando Pirates isikwazile khona ukusucceeda most of the competitions, lapho khona isiphelile league. Yabo besedlala ama-games aremainile uSiyabonga Dladla. So umjida ngizokhuluma ngaye la right now. Orlando Pirates ade sathana kudlala ama-preseason games. Kula ma-preseason games I saw a lot kulo mjida lo. Izinto azenzayo egroundini, izinto azenzayo uhlula goalkeeper abama-start ku-Orlando Pirates, uhlula uMeliswa Buthelezi, indlela adlala ngakhona uButhelezi. I'm not saying I'm comparing them, I'm just stating the basic things you need as a goalkeeper. This guy uSiyabonga Dladla, I don't know, maybe he hasn't faced i-team ezomnikeza inkinga. Yebo mhlambe okwamanje ngisamncoma because akakayitholi i-team ezomnikeza inkinga, but based on the games I've watched aSiyabonga Dladla, lo mjida lo mfethu I saw igame yakhe ngosikhathi sidlala neSuperSport last season, isizophela isizini. I saw igame sidlala neSuperSport, indlela ayirelaxe ngakhona, indlela abamba ngakhona iball, uyaphuma memela aphume epalini. During the set pieces uyaphuma umjida abamba iball, akame epalini alinde ama-defender ukuthi ashaye ama-flop, uphuma mekunesizathu ayobamba ibhola. Angazi noma ngiyayenza ni sense. Nakhona futhi ibhola uyalibuka before azaye kulona, akavele nje aphume. Orlando Pirates first game Orlando Pirates idlala against iBolton Wanderers. Siyazi ukuthi ama-set piece iyona Orlando Pirates into ehlezi ibulawe iyona kuma games abalekile. Sayibona igame yePyramid, izishaya iPyramid zabulawa ama-set piece. Sabona igame eMamelodi Sundowns seshaya ngo-4-1, most of the goals were set pieces. Igoli lokuqala nje lakhe eKana kwakuyi-set piece. Yabo uSipho Chain benoButhelezi bashayeka kakhulu kuma-set piece. Mhlambe ngeke ngigxebe kakhulu, mhlambe ngawagxeka nama-defender, but based on what I've seen ngalo mjida lo, uyakwazi mfethu ukuhandlisha lama-issues afese uSipho Chain nama-issues afese uButhelezi. For me umjida kule season kumele aphakamise isandla. Unethuba elihle kakhulu lokuthi abe unumber 1 Orlando Pirates, kodwa mengase adlale amakhadi akhe right. Uma asadlala amakhadi akhe right, unethuba lokuba unumber 1 goalkeeper Orlando Pirates, because lento le bafethu isimple kakhulu, yenza lento ehlulwile bo goalkeeper bajolo ukuqala. uSipho Chain bafethu, uSipho Chain I feel like labo goalkeeper bethu ba relaxed. I'm not blaming these guys, I'm not blaming them. Right now sidinga isizini enginawo ama-errors, sidinga ukuwin league, sidinga ukuchallenge for i-Champions League. We need ama-titles angempela right now. So we don't need goalkeeper bazofika bashaya ama-mistake lapha epalini again, because it looks like Orlando Pirates ngeke iziyo ukuthenga umunye goalkeeper. So we might as well go for this guy uSiyabonga Dladla owenza kahle kakhulu menikezwe ithuba nikezwe la nalomjidi uyalisebenzisa. Yabo ungikhumbuzo umfukeng besafika kuOrlando Pirates banikezwe amathuba abasebenzisa, abonkota banikezwe amathuba abasebenzisa, naye ama games awanikezwayo uyawasebenzisa amathuba. He doesn't look like a goalkeeper osamncane uyabo consider ama goals angenasidingo. Cha, umjida menikezwe ithuba ulisebenzisa ngempela. Each and every game he plays, each and every minute he gets kuOrlando Pirates, he shows ukuthi ngempela mfethu uyadeserve ukuba number 1. But ke it's a story for another day. But for me, I think umjida ready right now kuyohlala ebenchini ahlale uSikhala saButhelezi. Ready right now, comfortable einyaweni. Mhlawumbe abanye phela bangasho ukuthi hawo ingabe comfortable einyaweni. Yes, umjida comfortable einyaweni, akatatazeli mephethe ibhola einyaweni, because iyona into uSipho Chain amnandi ngakhona. uSipho Chain phela one of the things esimthandela ngakhona ukuthi uyakwazi ukurelax abamba ibhola aphase, which is not a good thing kuButhelezi. I haven't seen uButhelezi mfethu ekwazi ukukhatha. uButhelezi akusiyena lo goalkeeper lo ngamthemba kakhulu einyaweni. Yabo short stopper yes, but einyaweni ngabe umnandi yini? Questionable. But when you see uSiyabonga Dladla, I haven't seen him stopping a shot. I haven't seen him being attacked, being threatened. but enyaweni umnandi umjida enyaweni umnandi. Maybe ke singazama umqalisa neteam enzima, maybe he must start against iPhulwane City sibone ukuthi kahle kahle what he possesses ngabe yini lo siphathele yona. Ungangitshela ama comments, should we give uSiyabonga Dladla, should Orlando Pirates give uSiyabonga Dladla ithuba lokuthi abe number 1 Orlando Pirates, noma kumele umjida aqhubeka ahlale ebenchini noma simlone, because akusizi ngempela ukuba no goalkeeper omnandi bafethu simhlalise ebenchini sibe siluze kule season le. Kumele senze sure ukuthi siyawina. It's either we change i-defense yethu sibatshela ukuthi asifuna uconsider ama set piece, noma we change the goalkeeper kabili, because nawo uconsider ama set piece kubuyele ku goalkeeper. Because why are you not communicating with your defense? You're supposed to be communicating with your defense. Tell your defense how to position themselves when they are expecting a set piece. Batshela ukuthi kumele bame kanjani, utshela ubathethise. Those are the basic things as a goalkeeper kumele uzenze. For me bafethu angazi, for me umjida kumele aqale bafethu, hayi kabe kule season nje bafethu kumele aba challenge laba. I feel like sebe relax kakhulu. Ukurelax nje akuyona into esingayidingi, yona nje into esingayidingi iPirates right now. But ungangitshela ama comments bethu ungitshele wena ngokwakho, but for me umjida uyadeserve impela ukuthi alithole ijezi kule season nje ezoqala. Jose Rivero yesomnikeza ithuba last season, but this season of the Slam wadu kumele intwana ngempela ayibhack mfethu, kumele intwana ayibhack. But ke ngingengazi ngoEthan Visage, yabo angazi ngimbone lo mjida evimba, but Orlando Pirates ngiyakhumbula last season yamsign umjida. I did a video regarding yena. uEthan Visage is one of those goalkeepers we signed last season. Mase kuba uSiphamandla Gumede naye wa sign uOrlando Pirates I think ngale ya season, yabo umjida ke samlona last season. He didn't play for Orlando Pirates. Abantu abamaziyo, for me I think angaze ngambona umjida. I think the last time I saw him we were playing against them kwi-Nedbank Cup if I'm not mistaken. Yabo angazi oluningi ngoSiphamandla Gumede, but ngiyaweza amagalela akho ukuthi umjida uyakwazi ukuvimba. Angafike kuOrlando Pirates azame impela ukuthi abagudluze lapha oSiphocheni noButhelezi. But uSiyabonga Dladla right now, based on the games I've watched, umjida uready ngempela, uready nje ngempela ukuthi ayohlala lapha epalini. Ethan Visage angazi but ke kumele uSibuthelezi Siphocheni kumele ngempela balungise, because umfana omncane ona 24 years old uyeza uzobathathela umsebenzi wabo, uyeza nje ngempela bafethu uzobathathela umsebenzi wabo. 5 goalkeepers Kaizer Chiefs ngizwile ithi yamfuna lo mfana lo weSikhukhune. Yes, bengingasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates kumele uyolanda yena, but ke Kaizer Chiefs look like lo goalkeeper bazomthatha, but ke thina right now sino goalkeeper ba5 kumele sisebenzisele labo goalkeeper sinabo, yabo.